Hello viewer, welcome to my channel Pharma Digital, and today we are going to discuss about the another different parts of our male reproductive system, and it is the second part of the male reproductive system. And today we are going to discuss about the another some vital parts of male reproductive systems like epididymis, vas deferens, and ejaculatory duct. So first we starting from the epididymis. Epididymis, it is a tube or it is a long tube that's have a length about 20 feet or 6 meters in long, and it is a coil and that are present on the external or posterior surface of the each testis. And the main function of the epididymis is to store the sperm for about the 3 days, and it helps for the complete their maturation process. Means in a single line the epididymis helps to store the sperm and helps for the maturation process of the sperm before the ejaculations. And it contains some smooth muscles inside their inside or internally, and these smooth muscles contract during the ejaculations or during the pushing forward of the sperm, and these smooth muscles contract and propel or push the sperm towards the vas deferens. And inside the epididymis it contains some ciliated columnar epithelium. As you know, ciliated means it is a types of columnar epithelium that contains hair-like structure. That's why it is called as ciliated columnar epithelium. So it contains ciliated columnar epithelium, which helps to move the sperm towards the vas deferens during the ejaculation. Next we comes to vas deferens. This vas deferens, otherwise also known as ductus deferens, means it has two names. One is vas deferens and another is ductus deferens, and it is extended from the tail of the epididymis in the scrotum, and it is about 10 inch long tube or 10-inch long structure. And these epididymis extended from the this vas deferens extended from the epididymis inside the scrotum and opening into the abdominal cavity through a structure that is known as inguinal canal. And sperm that is the main part, or that is the main cell of our reproduction process, and these sperm exit the tail end of the epididymis and are pushed by the muscles contraction that are present inside the vas deferens. And it is a vas deferens is a thick muscular tube, and that is bundled together, means it is a complex like structure that is bundled together inside our scrotum, and it contains or it bundles with the connective tissue. It bundles with the blood vessels, and some nerves are also, means it is a completely bundled structure of connective tissue, blood vessels and nerve, and into a structure and form a structure called spermatic cord. And during the birth control to avoid the pregnancy, in case of male, some surgical procedures are adopted like vasectomy, and in this process cutting and sealing a small part or small section of the vas deferens is done by the surgical procedure, and to prevent the sperm delivery during the intercourse or during the ejaculations. And this is an effective process to control the birth process. And in the last, these vas deferens play an important role for the movement of the sperm. And next comes to ejaculatory duct. As the name mentions, ejaculatory means the duct or the tube that is help for the ejaculation process, means the sperm, the semen that is moves out for the ejaculation through these duct or through these tubes. And these are two in number, or means inside our body or inside our male reproductive system there are two numbers of ejaculatory duct are present, and is approximately 2 centimeter in long. And these ejaculatory duct formed by the union of a duct from the seminal vesicles and a duct from the vas deferens, means it is a junction part of a duct from the seminal vesicles and a duct from the vas deferens. And these ejaculatory duct pass through the prostate gland, means it crosses or it passes from the prostate gland and joins with the prostatic part of the urethra.